Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Nazmul Islam Abir, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to my project, Cosmos Curiosity. At first, let's visit the main page of this website. I wanted to make that easier by creating a central hub where anyone, whether a student or simply curious, can come to explore, learn, and connect with others who share their passion for space. No one can see the courses or other functionality without login or register to the website, and whenever they click any options, they simply redirect to the login page. Let's complete the registration process using name, Gmail ID, and a password. After completing the registration, you will redirect to the login option to access all the functionality of this website. After successfully logging to the website, you can see your details, name, and email ID in the profile page. Let's talk about courses and learning resources. This section is designed to help users deepen their knowledge of the cosmos. Each course is structured to be easy to follow, even if you're new to the subject, with practical insights into astronomy, space exploration, and more. Blog section. Here, user can post articles covering a wide range of cosmic topics. This the way user can easily upload their blogs into the website by filling the section of user own name and the name of the blog, and then they have to upload an image. The main part, they can write articles about it, describe from understanding black holes to the latest discoveries in space. These blogs aim to make complex ideas simple and interesting. If uploading is successful, user can see their blog list into the blog section. Enrollment section. Here's where users can enroll in any ongoing courses they're interested in. Once enrolled, these courses are saved in their profile section, making it easy for them to track their learning progress and quickly access their materials. Each user has a profile section where they can find all their enrolled courses, making it a personal learning hub. User also can remove any enrolled courses if they are not interested on it. Exam participation feature. One unique aspect of Cosmos Curiosity is the exam participation feature. Users have the option to take exams to test their knowledge and check their progress on the topics they've been studying. After completing an exam, they can view their results and get feedback, which helps them identify areas for improvement. This feature is designed to make learning more interactive. User can easily log out from the website and also can log into the website by their registered Gmail. If user is logged out, they cannot access the web functionality again. It means they need to be logged in by passing the login process. This allows to protect the user's security. Cosmos Curiosity is my attempt to make learning about the universe accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Thank you for your attention, and I'm open to any questions or feedback you may have.